Hello, everyone. Welcome to Building Public with Natively. Today is my 21st day of building in public, where I'm building an app for 30 days and give it away to someone else. So today we're going to build a cooking app. Let me share my screen. I had a chat with my friend, and his idea is to build a cooking app because he really likes, to cook some Asian food, Latin American food and some other things. And he was like, okay, I'm really missing, an app where I can learn the recipe, how to cook different dishes and food. So today I'm going to build that app and of course give it away to him so that he can build it further. So let me just start with simple prompt. Build me a cooking app. So I'm going to put the design here. As I said all the time, I love to, work with a nice design, see how it works. Also, for me, having a base design is interesting, and then I can get some new ideas how to, enhance my app further. So I just gave it a go, and yeah, I let Natively to build the app for me. But yeah, today is the 21. Yeah, so I did it. This is 21st, and I did it for. I'm gonna do it for 9 more days. So, and I have already given away the other app ideas to my friends or you guys who asked. Of course, you're all my friend as well. So like all of you that you ask that you would love to take the app ownership and then build it further. So yeah, it's super interesting, and I think I have met lots of friends, people, and also get lots of ideas what to build next, and that's super nice. People are start suggesting, and if you have any app idea that you want me to build for you, just with a simple prompt and give it back to you, just let me know in the comments, and please subscribe, follow, comment, and just share what you're building as well. And if you want to build a mobile app with Natively, just go on the description. There's a link. There's a community link. If you create your account with that link, you will get 5 free prompts to build your dream app. And yeah, just repeating myself, I think now is the best time to build mobile apps with Natively, with AI. Wow! So I just give it one prompt, and then it's already start building it. This is nice design. I like. I really like it. Um, so yeah, I was saying that I talked with my friend, and he wants to build his app. And what we kind of were talking about, it was more about marketing, like how to market the app, how to bring users. And I feel that this is where the main challenge is coming. Like you have to be creative with marketing, with sales. How do you bring users? How do you actually find customers? So I think you should not overthink about building for it. Just go build your apps with Natively, with AI, with other tools, like whatever you like it. It doesn't matter if it's kind of like Natively or other tools. But the main thing is that you have to start building, and you just have to learn how to sell the app and how to find users. I think that's where the main art and science is coming. So yeah, you see, so now we have such a nice home screen. I like this one actually. Looks cool. Yep. It's building. Amazing. I'm foodie, I love to cook, I love to eat. And for me also, I like to be honest, I never use any recipe because for me, I really, like to be creative with some recipe myself. But if there are some, foods or some meals or dishes that I really don't know them how to cook, some specific country cuisines that I would love to try out, then I just look at Google, or like now we ask AI that, hey, how to cook this. So I think having such an app where it can tell you how to do that, it's amazing. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna connect the Supabase so we save some time for you guys. The Supabase, repeating myself again, is a backend, is the database where all the information will be stored for your app. So we connect with Supabase. Yep. So this is it. And don't touch Supabase yourself. Let AI to build things for you. That should be the main thing. I will not create a new project, but I suggest you guys to create a new project for every app that you are building. So I will connect with Dog Walking app. We just do this. Amazing. We go to the dashboard. I want to show you something. Oh, there are some technical issues. So I hope that this will not impact our development. But we have 103 tables. These tables are all from my previous apps, which I have built. So I suggest you please have project for every app that you're building. Don't mix all the tables together. Amazing. This is how it looks, our app. I love it actually. So let's see. I'm gonna write the prompt. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. Wow, this looks cool. Yeah, Discover is empty, of course. Favorite recipe is empty. This is empty. Yeah, I really like the homepage. I think We just need to have, like, we need to add other things to order to show for, like, Discover should be a smart engine, like search engine. And then also Favorite should be like where you choose. And then the chat, of course, you ask, and it should have AI feature there as well. So let me just give the second prompt and go further. Yeah, just go build your apps and let me know what you're building. I'm gonna do more of how-to videos very soon, like how to do the backend, how to do API, how to do iOS deployment, how to do, the Google Play and all these things. So just let me know if you'd like me to cover and make content for a specific topic that you like and you want me to do. Yes, so we had 103 tables. Now we have 107. So we added 4 more tables. Yeah, we can. Oh, we can see it here. Maybe it's cooking. Yeah, cooking profile. This is, yes. Yeah, that's why it's super hard to find. Where are the tables? But that's why you should have um one project for one app. So just don't mess it up with everything else. So so here is our app. We build the app, our cooking app, with 2 prompts. We build the front end, the nice design, how it looks, the preview, but also we just build the database, the backend, how things work. So this is like how it looks. We have Discover, we have our favorites, we have the notes, and also we have our profile, so we can sign in. But yeah, this is it. So I just built this app, and I would love to give it away to my friend because this was his idea. So yeah, thanks for watching. And today is our 21 day of my building in public for 30 days. And I'm doing it for 9 more days, but also I'm going to start a new challenge for the next month. So it's going to be super exciting, lots of content about how to launch iOS, Android, and everything else. So please don't forget to build your dream apps with Natively or any other tool that you love. Just go build and try to, use it yourself. And also, of course, if you love to, give it away to people to make money and then like become an entrepreneur, do that as well. Yeah, all the best. Thanks for joining me, and happy Tuesday, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.